Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will do this workshop color mixer. Before starting, let's see what we will do. So this is the application. This is the first page. We enter the name. We choose two colors. Then we mix. Then if we choose the right color, it gives us success. And if not, it says wrong. Then we quit. So let's create a new project, new project, empty view activity. Let's change the name. I will work with Java. Finish. Let's wait for the project to load. Now the project is ready. Let's open this. Java. This is the main. Then resource. Layout. This is our XML file. So the first page is question activity. I will work with the main. Let's do this interface. Let's click on split. I will change this to a linear layout, LL. Then first thing is enter your name. And then an input. And the hint. Full name. Also another text. I will remove this. Close. Another text view. Choose two colors. And then we have three checkbox and three squares. Checkbox. This is the first one. And we have another one. And another one. And between them there is squares. So to do that, go to drawable, new, vector assets. I will choose a square, this square. Okay, I will do 70. Then the color is blue. I will name it blue square. Next, finish. Then another one. Next, finish. And the last one is next, finish. So after this checkbox, we have an image view, SRC, blue square. And after this checkbox, we have yellow. So another image view, enter, SRC, blue, then close. And after the checkbox, another image view, enter, SRC, red, square. So we are choosing from this drawable. Okay, let's close. I will save. Now let's change the view. So In this linear layout, we will do orientation, vertical. Let's add gravity, center. No, for this first text, let's do size, maybe 30. Let's make the color black. Let's make it bold. Text style, bold. Now the edit text. Let's change the width, 350 dp. Let's add a padding, 10 dp. Now as you see, this full name, it's not like this, so we will change it. We add background, and now we will make a background. So we go to drawable, new, drawable resource file. We name it edit text background. We change this to shape, and we press OK. So first thing, solid, the color is white. This is the background. We close. We open another for the border. Color black. And we add the width, 1 dp. And also the corner, radius 1 dp. That's it. Let's go here, edit text background. Now it looks like this. Now we go to the edit text. Let's change the size. And the color. And also bold. Style. Let's add the padding. Padding top 200. And now those elements should be vertical. So let's add another layout. Let's open LL for linear layout, wrap content, drop content. Let's close it. And on it, we will put all those elements. Let's change this to yellow. Okay. And finally, we will add a button. Let's add the text. Mix. And the size. 15. Let's add the padding. Padding top. 100 dp. Now it's a margin. layout measure. Let's add more. Margin tool. So this is the result. Now let's adjust the button and those elements in the center. So linear layout, gravity, layout gravity center. Let's go with gravity. So it's a line, and now the button. Let's change the width, for example, 400 dp. Okay. Now let's add the space between the text and the input. So padding 30 dp 5. So we need to get the name. We go here to edit text. We add an ID. Let's type username, and then we choose a color. So each checkbox has an ID. The first one, ID checkbox blue. The second is ID checkbox yellow. And the last one, ID checkbox red. And then we click on the button. So we need an ID for the button. ID mix button. So now let's get for the code. So first thing, we need to declare the variables. Private, we have checkbox. Let's copy the names. This is the first one. The second one. And this is the last. Also, we have the edit text. Let's copy the name, username, and also the button. Mix button. No, we don't need this. I will delete it. First thing, let's get those elements by their ID. Checkbox blue equal find by ID, and then r.id dot checkbox blue. Let's save this. No, we don't have an error. Control D, as many as we have variables. So checkbox yellow, checkbox red, username, on the button. That's it. So when we click, we will go to the next page. So we have to initialize a new intent. New intent. Let's copy the name of our activity. Then we will go to another activity. Let's name it answer activity. Let's create this activity. We click here, new activity, empty view activity. Let's name it answer activity. Finish. So this is the new activity. Let's go back to this file. We add dot class, and here we add dot this. And now let's make the function of the click of the button. Let's get this dot set on click listener. Write any name, lambda expression, arrow. We open. So when we click on the button, we will get the name and the chosen colors. Then we will go to the other page. So to get a color, I will make a new array list of string, selected colors, new array list. And now we will do the condition. If checkbox blue dot is checked, then we add the color. This is our array list. Selected colors dot add the color blue. And we do the same for the two other checkboxes. Now we have the colors, and now we need the name. String name equals username dot get text dot to string. And now we need to make sure that the name is not empty, and we have chosen two colors. So if name dot is empty, we show a message toast dot make text in this activity dot this. And now we type the message. Please enter a name, your name, column toast 10th show dot show. And now, as if, now we need to make sure that he has chosen two colors. So selected colors dot size equal 0. Let's copy this. If it's 0, we write please choose two colors. I will copy this and paste it to other type. And now if the selected size is 1, this should another color. And now if the user choose 3, this choose only two colors. Else everything is okay. So we need to save the name and the colors for the next page. Intent dot put extra. The variable is name. We will name it name. And from the variable name, another one, Control D. I put extra colors. And then we put selected colors. And finally, to go to the other page, we will do start activity intent. Must it start activity, not activities. Okay, let's try this. So this is the page. It looks like this. You can change it a little bit. So I write my name. Then I will choose only one. This shows another color. And if I choose 3, this shows only two colors. And if I don't write the name, please enter your name. Now we will choose 2 and enter a name. It gets us to the next page. Now let's do the next page. We have already created the next page, answer activity. Let's go to the XML file. So basically it's the same. Look, it look like it. So I will copy this. Then we will make some changes. Copy. So it's a linear layout. And orientation vertical. And also gravity center. I will paste everything. So let me close this. So you choose it blue and yellow. I click on this. You choose it X and Y. We will change this later. So then 3 colors. Then we have a radio. So we don't need any text, and not this edit text. The padding, let's make it bigger. 200. No, let's make it a margin top. 200 dp and margin bottom maybe 50 dp. Okay, then this should be a radio button, and also this radio button. So in here we can only choose one, so we need to make all those radio button in one group. So here we add radio group, and we have already the linear layout, so we will make it a radio group. This will be a radio group, and we change the orientation to vertical, no, horizontal. Okay, now let's change the colors. So here we make new vector assets. So the first color is purple, then green, then orange. So let's do the purple. I will name it purple square. And change the size. Next, finish. Another one. Vector asset. Green. Let's make a green square. 70. Next, finish. And the last one, new vector asset, orange. Orange square. 70. Next, finish. So let's delete this. So the first one is image view, is purple square. The second one is a green square, and the last one is an orange square. Okay, then the button says submit. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so now we will choose a color, then press on this button, and we need to make those blue and yellow. So first thing, this text. We choose X and Y. What is the ID? We add an ID. ID chosen colors. And then each radio we need to assign it with an ID. Radio purple. Then this one. Okay. is radio green, and the last one is radio orange. And finally, the button. Submit button. And now, answer activity. I will delete this. I don't need it. Also this. Let's declare our variable. So private. First thing is a radio button. We have 3. I will name them the same name of the ID. Radio purple. Also radio green. And the last one is the orange. And also we have a text view. What's his name? Chosen colors. And finally, the button. Submit button. And now we will get them by ID. Let's go here. I will copy same thing. Control V. So this radio. Then this. Control V. Radio purple. Then radio green. Then radio orange. Put some colors. And finally, submit button. I have errors. Why? Because I haven't saved this file. So let's go to the answer activity. Control S. And when we go back here, we don't have any more errors. So first thing, the color that we have chosen, we will put them here. So this is the chosen colors text dot set text. We will get them from the previous intent. Get intent dot get string array extra, because it's an array list extra, and then we put here the name. Let's check for the name. Colors. Then it's an array list, so dot get 0. And another one. Get 1 for the second color. Let's go here. This is the message. So you choose it. Plus, let's add a space. The first colors. plus and plus the second colors. So we get the text and then we change it with the new colors from the previous activity. Also, we have this name, so we need to get it. So we will put string name equal get intent dot get string extra, and this is her name. That's it. You don't need this. Now, let's make the action of the button. This is the button dot set on click listener. Another lambda expression. So we need to save the new answer, the chosen color from those three. Equal empty, and it's a string. String answer is empty. And now let's make an if to see what colors is selected. If radio purple dot is checked, then this answer should be purple. Let's copy this. If this green is selected, then it's a green. And the last one, the orange. The answer will be orange. And now we have the chosen colors and the answer. Let's check if it's correct or not. So string result equal an empty string. So if let's see the answer dot equals purple. So purple is a blue plus red. So we make and let's take this is equal. The first one is blue and the second is red. Blue and pass it again. This is one is equal to red. I write the B and the red capital because I have declared it like this. So blue and red. So let's see this. Let's use equals. Also this. Let's use equals. So if the first color is blue and the second is red, it should be purple. So enter. So result equals okay. So this is a correct answer. But we have also two other answers. The green is correct for blue and yellow, and the orange is correct for yellow and red. So we will write this too. We will copy all this. Let me copy it. This is the correct answer. Enter. We will put or. We will paste it, and also or we will paste it. So the second one is green. So the green is blue and yellow. So the first color is blue, the second is yellow. Just write those as you wrote them here. And the last correct one is orange. So orange is yellow and red. Yellow, then red. So you can't put red then yellow. You need to put them yellow then red. Why? Because when we put them in the array list, we put them in this order. So the two colors that you choose should be in this order. Blue, then yellow, then red. Okay, so those are the only three options that have okay. Now, else, result equals not okay. Now, when we click submit, we will go to the final activity. So we will create a new intent. So let's go here. Let's copy this intent. Where is the button? Set on click listener before the button. Let's create a new intent. This is our current activity. And then we will go to the new activity, result activity. So we will create a new activity. We will click here, new activity, empty view activity, and then result activity. I will copy the name, finish. So let's go back. So when we create the new intent, we will go to result activity.class. So after here, we'll go to start activity. It should be activity, not activities of intent. And before that, we need to send if the answer is okay or not okay to have this success page or this wrong page. And also we need to send the name. Congratulations, and we put the name. So let's do like this. I just will copy this. Okay. intent put extra name. We have this name, so we save it the name, and now the result. Copy this. We will send the result, and I will name it result 2. So now we have finished it. Let's go to the other page. So answer activity, then result activity. So as well, we don't need this, all this. So let's make the view, then we will go back to the code. So activity result. Let's go on split mode. So here we have images on each other. So I will not use a linear layout, but I will show the default constant layout. So first we have this image, then this text, then a button. So let's put an image view, wrap content, and now we have to give it the green background. So src, so we choose green square. Okay, let's close it, and then we have this success logo. So another image view, wrap content, src. So we will create this symbol in drawable, new, vector assets. So let's search for the same logo, circle, this one. Okay, I will name it success circle. Okay, then we will make it 100, and the color is white. So this is the white. Next, finish. So let's here put circle. So this is the image. Let's close it. And now we have this message success. So text view, wrap content, and then text. No, not this. Text view, then text. Success, but the color should be white. White. Then we will close it. Then this is the result message. So another text view, wrap content, then text. Congratulations. Then we put the name. Then in the other line, your answer is correct. So make this. Then /n your answer is correct. Then a button. Text with. So let's make it like this. So first the big green square. Let's change the width 600. Also the height I will select it, go to the attribute. Okay, this should be okay. Let's select it again. I will put this minus 100. Okay, let's make it more in the top, 150. I think this is okay. Then the other image view should be as well in the center of the parent. Let's copy those three. Okay, and also for the text view, we'll attach it in the start and in the finish and in the top of the parent. Now we add some margin top. Let's make it 200. It's too much. 150 dp. Let's change the width. Let's make it bigger. So 150 dp, and also the height. Okay. Then this message, the size. Let's make it 20. Let's add a margin top, 200 dp. Let's add more, 300. Let's make it bigger, 30 dp. Okay, I will make it bold. So style, text style bold. Okay, then the text. This is the text. I will copy those same three. Okay, let's add a margin top. Let's add more. Okay, let's make it bigger. Size 30. Make it bold. Maybe 25. Okay. Add another space. Okay. Then the button. Let's copy those three and the margin top too. Maybe 600. So I will make this 400 dp, and maybe this 700. Okay. 680. So I think this is good. And now we need to change this color to quit. So my idea is I will make the success page, and if the answer is wrong, I will change them by the code to wrong. So let's make this green. Go to the button, we add background color white. No, we can't. So we need to create a background. So as well, we go to the drawable, new, drawable resource file. So button quit. Let's make shape. Okay. we will change the color to green. So color, palette, color. This is the green. F0000. So this is the red. Don't know how to make the green. Let's search here. This should be good. Oh, this is the green. Let's close it and add a radius like this. It's a circle in the corners. So corner radius maybe 20 dp. Now let's add more, 30 dp. Okay, let's see the result. Button quit. SRC button quit. So I can change the background. So to correct us, we need to change this button to the first button from App Compact. So now we can change the color. I will choose another color. This is better. So let's go here, paste it. This is better. So it's basically the same. So we need to add another background for another color. Okay, go here, drawable, new, drawable resource, then with button red for the other button, then shape. Okay, so let's copy those two, let's paste them, and now we need to put the red. This is the red. So let's go back to this code. So we need an ID for this image. Okay, we'll give it an ID, background image. I forget to put ID. Okay, then the other image is, we have ID, maybe symbol, salt. Okay, also ID, and this result text ID. Okay, and this text view contains the name of the result. So another ID, result name, move the space, and then finally the button ID with button. So I think that's all what we need. So now we need to go to the code. So result activity. So let's declare what we have. So first thing, we have this image view. So I will put private image view. This is the first one. This is the second. And text view private text view. Okay, this is the first text view, and also we have this, and finally the button, private button. This is the name. You can choose other names, but I will choose the same name as the ID. So now we need to get them by their ID. So I will copy this. So here I have 2, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's copy this for all of them. First thing, we need to see if the answer of the previous activity, the answer activity, is okay or not okay. So let's get the result. Think. Let's copy this. Result. We allocate intent. One get link extra result. And now let's check it. If result is equal to okay, let's make it equals. We will change this congratulation underweight to the name. So I forget background image, sample result text. So this is the result text. No, it's success. So result name, we will change this. Result name dot set text. Okay, I will copy it from here. I will copy it. Okay. Plus, I will get the intent. Dot get string extra. We have named it name. So congratulations, space name, space, your answer is correct. So this is if the answer if okay. So we add this. We put this here and we make else. So else the answer is not okay. We will change the background to red and this image to a cross and the success to wrong and this message to solely the name and the background of the button to red. So let's begin. Background image dot set image resource here dot drawable. So we have this red square and also the sample result the same. So we need to add the sample. So drawable, a new vector assets. So like this, like let's make it 150. So or 100 like the other. So let's search for the X. So the name is highlight of. Okay, 100, and the color is also white. Next, no, let's change the name. Wrong sample. Okay, I will copy it. Next, finish. So I will put wrong sample here. So we put this, result text dot set text. So wrong. And finally, result name is like this. Sorry. The same name. Your answer is wrong. So this is the result. And I forget the button. So this is the button. Like those. So I haven't do SRC. I have background. So set background. So we need to add the resource, background resource, drawable. So this button, quit button red. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have make all the changes. So we finish from here. This is the button. And now we have to quit. So we'll click on this button. So this button dot set on click listener. Another lambda expression. Arrow. And then we go to another activity. So start activity. Intent. So I have forgot to create the intent. So as same as we did last time. So let's copy this intent. Where is the button? Okay, create a new intent from our activity, and we will go to the main activity. Okay, when we quit, we go to the main. So maybe we click finish. Okay, let's try. So this is the application. We click on mix. Please enter your name. My name is Houssem. I will choose nothing. Please choose two colors. I choose one. Please choose another color. I will choose two other colors. Please choose only two colors. So I will choose blue and yellow. Blue and yellow give us green. If I choose a wrong answer, it says wrong. Sorry, my name. Your answer is wrong. And I will put a click. I will go back. I will choose a correct answer. Submit. So nothing changes. It's success. It's green. And only this change. Congratulations. This is the name that we entered. The answer is correct. So quick. The quit button took us to the first page. So as we see, this is the result. Let's add a page before this. So I will add question activity. So there's new activity, empty view activity. I will name it question activity. So finish. Don't need this. Also this. I will go to the main activity. Okay. Remove this question activity here, and then all of this. Here. So our intent from this activity, question activity, to the answer activity, and then let's add the content. So we set the main. Let's remove this, also this. So I will remove this. Let's go to the question, split mode, added. It should be linear layout. Okay, let's remove all of this. Let's put it here. Okay, let's save it. Let's go here. So we don't have errors here. So this main activity, we will remove it because we are in the question activity. Okay, now we don't have errors. So when we get the result, we go this intent, not to the main activity. Yes, we will go to the main. Okay, so main activity, this is the main. Why we have an error? Okay, so I will put constant layout. So I will have a button. Use this button of content, drop content, then text, lowercase, text. Okay, play the game. So let's make it bigger. Size, text size, maybe 30 dp, and then let's close it. Let's click on here, attribute. I will make it in the center and attach it on the top and on the bottom. Okay, 0 dp. Okay, now it's in the center, so I will change the background. Maybe orange. I will make this a little bit later. 20 dp. Then we'll add 32 here, maybe 50. Okay, maybe I will add a text. So text view, so text, mixer. Let's make it bigger. So size, maybe 40. The color is black. Let's make it in the center. So we attach it here and here. Zero. Okay. I don't know why this or even this. So I just want to make it in the center. Okay, maybe here 50, 70. Okay, I will make it white. Let's try it. You can do any design you want. So this is our result. Play the game. We have an error. It's good to learn. So main activity. So the button doesn't do anything. So here we type private button. I will name it button go or button play. So in here okay, let's go here. A4 button play. We need to add this ID. So in the activity main, this play the game. We add an ID. Button play. We save. Go back. So button play dot set on activity listener. Lambda expression arrow. So we create a new intent equals new intent. So our activity is main activity dot this. Also we will go to the next activity is question activity. So question activity dot class. Then I do start activity intent. So let's try it. So we click on play the game. We go here. We wrote the name. Okay. We choose two colors. This the correct answer should be orange. So I click orange. Submit. Success. Congratulations. This is my name. Your answer is correct. And when I get wait, I go to the first activity. Let's try a different color. Submit. Wrong. Sorry, your answer is wrong. So I quit. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.